Hello class. Today we are working on Practical 9, which is a classic computer science problem that truly demonstrates the power and utility of the stacked data structure. The aim is to implement a program to convert an expression from infix notation to postfix notation. The concept: infix vs postfix. When you write a mathematical expression, you use infix notation, e.g., a plus b. The operator is in between the operands. This is easy for humans, but computers find it tricky because they need to worry about parentheses and operator precedence. Postfix notation, e.g., upjod, also known as reverse Polish notation, places the operator after the operands. This notation eliminates the need for parentheses and follows a strict rule based on operator order, making it incredibly easy for a computer to evaluate using a stack. The stack is crucial here because we use it to temporarily hold operators and manage the precedence rules. The precedence function. The first key piece of logic is determining the priority of operators. Code line concept explanation. Def precedence, op, precedence mapping. This function assigns a numerical priority to each operator. Higher numbers mean higher priority, precedence. If op equals jod, or op equals, return 1. Low precedence. Addition and subtraction have the lowest precedence, 1. If op equals, or op equals, return 2. Medium precedence. Multiplication and division have higher precedence, 2. If op equals, return 3. High precedence. Exponentiation has the highest precedence, 3. Return 0. Default, parentheses, any other character, primarily parentheses, which we handle separately, has a precedence of 0. Export to sheets 2. The conversion function, infix _to _postfix. This function is the heart of the program, using an operator stack and an output postfix list. We process the input expression character by character. Character type. Code logic explanation. The rule: operand a, b, c. If char is synonym, postfix, append char. If the character is a letter or number, an operand, it is immediately added to the postfix output. Opening parenthesis, elif char equals, stack, append char. If it is always pushed onto the stack. It acts as a delimiter, temporarily hiding the precedence of operators inside it. Closing parenthesis, elif char equals, while stack and stack, -1, equals, postfix, append, stack.pop. If we pop operators from the stack and add them to the postfix output until we find the matching opening parenthesis. We then discard both parentheses. Operator, jod, tarankan, else, while stack and precedence, char, less than equals precedence, stack, -1, postfix, append, stack.pop, stack, append, char, 1. Pop check. If the stack is not empty and the precedence of the current operator, char, is less than or equal to the operator at the top of the stack, -1, we pop the operator from the stack and move it to the output. This continues until the stack is empty or the top operator has a lower precedence. Though, push. Finally, the current operator, char, is pushed onto the stack. Export to sheets. The final step, clearing the stack. Code line concept explanation. While stack, postfix, append, stack.pop. Flush remaining operators after the entire infix expression is processed. Any remaining operators left in the stack are popped and added to the output. Export to sheets. Example trace. A, B jod C, D input char stack action stack state postfix output A append operand, A. Push operator, stack empty, tarankan, A, push, precedence 0, AB append operand, upjod push operator, jod, upc append operand, jod, ABC, pop till, pop jod, tarankan, ABC jod, pop tarankan, precedence 1 2, push, ABC jod D append operand, ABC jod D and pop remaining, pop, ABC jod D. Export to sheets. Final result, ABC jod D, correct. This structured process is fundamental to how compilers and interpreters manage mathematical calculations. Thank you.